Hey folks, let's get straight into it. With this song we're in drop C sharp tuning. So we have C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp and D sharp. And for our intro we play the open E, open A, open D, then go 7th fret A, open E, 5th fret A, open E, and then open A again. And then we go back to the open E, open A, open D. This time we go open A, jump to the D string, 5, 4, open, and then open A. And we do that 2 times for the intro. And 2 times there, and that's our intro. So for our verse we just continue the same riff again. Do that 3 times, and the 4th time we go open E, open A, open D, 7 on the A, open E. This time go 9 on the A, open E, open A, and then 7th fret harmonic on the D string. And that's our verse there. So we're starting with a 9 on the E string, mute the A, open D, 9 on the G, 10 on the B, and an open E. And from the D down to the E, that's going to stay the same through this whole chorus. So we're doing a down, down, up. Then just go to the 7th fret on the E, do an up, and then go to 9th fret on the A, and we're going to do an up, up, down, down, up, down, up. And we do that 3 times. So down, down, up, up, and then to our 9, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now the 4th time we just do the first chord again, down, down, up, and then just do the up on the 7. Same chord as before. And that's guitar 1, now let's have a look at guitar 2. So 3rd fret on the B to open D, then open E, 2nd fret E, 3rd fret B, back to open D, and then open E, 3rd fret B. Then play the 3rd fret on the B again, open D, open E, 2nd fret on the E, 3rd fret on the B, open D again, and then jump to the E string, 3, 2, open, and then 3 on the B. Repeat the first one again. And then the second time we're going to play the 3 on the B, open D, and then E, open 2 and 3 on the B there. And that's our chorus. So for our next verse, we're just playing the intro riff again 6 times. That's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is going to be doing harmonics. So we're going to start on the 7th fret harmonic, D, G and B. Then we do it again, D, G, B, G, back to D. Then we go again, 7D, this time go 5D, 7G, 7B. And then to finish off, just all on the 7 again, D, G and B. And they're all the parts to the second verse. D power chord, just do it 2 times, and that's at the end of the verse. Then we're coming back to a B, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 to an A, 1. Now come up to the D and play the open E string as well, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're coming up to these octave chords. We're going to play open E, 10 on the A, and 12 on the G. Come back a fret, come back 2 frets, another 2 frets there. And we do that 7 times there, so we have. And again. 7 times, and the last time we stay the same on the B, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the A, and then just go to the D with the open E string, and we're doing 2 bars there, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our second chorus C. So this time starting on the 4th fret on the E and the A string, slide up to the 5th, play it again, and then play 5th fret on the A 2 times, and do that 4 times. Go back to our D power chord and play the open E string 2 times, and then just 7th fret on the D 2 times. Do it again. Now this time come back to the 4th fret on the D, do a bend and release. Come back to the D power chord, but don't play the E string this time, 2 times. 7th fret on the D 2 times, back to our D power chord 2 times, and our 7th fret on the D 2 times. So that last little section there. Do the first one again 4 times. Then we're coming back to B. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Play the open A and keep 4 on the D and the G, and hammer back onto 2 again. 3, 4, and do another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do a bend and release on 4A. 2, open. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're coming to a D power chord. This time we're going to play the 5th fret on the E, 5 on the A, 7 on D and G, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and come up 2 frets, do 1 and 2 and 3 and come up another 2 frets, 4 and then go all the way back to the 2nd fret, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Play the open again on the E and the A, 4th fret on the D and the G, and hammer back onto the 2nd fret. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend the 4th fret on the A, bend and release. 2nd fret A, and do that 2 times there. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 times. Then we go back to the start again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up 2 frets. 2 and 3 and come up 2 frets again. 4 and we're going to finish on this chord here. 2nd fret on the E, 2nd fret on the A, 4 D and G, open B and E. And that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So all of the the G string we have 9, slide up to 11, back to 9, slide up to 16, and then 14, 12, 11, go 9, slide up to 11, play 9, 4, 2, then we go back to the 11, 11, 9, and then 4, 2, back to 4, slide up to 7, 7, slide up to 11, and then we do 9, slide back to 4 and 2, and to finish that off we go back to 11, 9, 9, slide up to 12, 11, 9, slide up to 11, slide back to 4 there. And that's our second guitar part. Then from there we're just going back to our intro again, do that 2 times, and then we have the second guitar as well. Let me do that for you. So it's the same the first time we did the lead, but we're leaving it at the open D. So 3 on the B, E, open 2, back to 3 on the B, open E, 3 on the B, and then 3 on the B again, E, O, 2, back to B, and then E, 3, 2, open, back to the B, 3, 3. And for our next verse, go back to the verse riff again, but we're just going to end on an E, and we do that 4 times. And end on the E there on the 4th time. And then to finish off, we're just playing the first line of the second chorus again 12 times and just end on the D. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Hanging by a Moment Guitar Lesson by Lifehouse. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 90s and 2000s rock, grunge and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.